If you're just joining us, you're still watching The Eagle, a production of the Public Affairs Department of the EFCC. If you have any comments or opinion, you can reach us through our email, theeagle@efccnigeria.org. Let's take more reports from the court. The Economic and Financial Crimes Commission EFCC Lagos Zonal Office arraigned a lawyer, Victor Inwadubu, before Justice Olushola Williams of the Special Offences Court sitting in Ikeja, Lagos, on a one-count charge bordering on stealing to the tune of 30 million naira. Rolake Odofinjolayemi has more.
The defendant, who is an ex-solicitor to the Asset Management Corporation of Nigeria, AMCON, allegedly short-paid AMCON after the sale of a property to the tune of 30 million naira. He pleaded not guilty to the charge. In view of his plea, the prosecution counsel, GC Akogu, prayed the court for a trial date and asked that the defendant be remanded in prison custody. The defense counsel, Shola Abidakun, however, informed the court that he was briefed about the matter and that he had already filed an application for bail on behalf of his client. He therefore asked for a short date for hearing of the application and also prayed that the defendant be remanded in the EFCC custody pending the determination of his bail application. The prosecution counsel, Akogu, acknowledged receipt of the application and asked for a short date to enable him file his response. He also opposed the prayers of the defense counsel, seeking his client's remand in the EFCC custody. Akogu argued that the EFCC detention facilities were overstretched. Justice Williams adjourned the matter to October 25, 2018 for hearing of the bail application and ordered the defendant to be remanded in prison custody. Similarly, the Ibadan Zonal Office of the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission, EFCC, has also arraigned one Abdul Qadir Ibrahim before Justice A.S. Oyinloye of the High Court of Kwara State, sitting in Ilorin, on an 8-count charge of conspiracy, criminal breach of trust, stealing, and obtaining money under false pretense. Abdul Qadir and one Bakari Dauda, now at large, sometime in January 2017, allegedly approached the complainant, Ezekiel Babatunde, and convinced him to invest the sum of 11,870,000 naira into a business of buying and reselling of maize and soybeans. According to the complainant, after payment was made to the syndicate, all efforts to get either the products or the money back proved abortive. The defendant, however, pleaded not guilty to the charges preferred against him. In view of his plea, counsel to the defendant, Olumide Abifari, informed the court of a motion dated and filed on 8th of October 2018, praying the court for the bail of the defendant. However, prosecution counsel Sanusi Galadanchi informed the court that his office was served late and needed time to respond. He thereafter applied that the defendant be remanded in prison custody pending bail. The defendant was remanded in prison custody pending the determination of his bail application. Rolake Odofinjolayemi, reporting for The Eagle.